When you start to hear any squealing, grinding, or clicking while braking, it may be time to replace your brakes. Pedal feel is another indicator. If it's spongy or sinks too far, that's a sign of problems with your brake system. You might also notice the car pulling to one side when you brake hard. Finally, a quick visual inspection is one of the best ways to check the health of your brakes. Look at your rotors and pads for deep grooves or thin pads. If you notice any of these issues, it's likely time for new brakes. Not sure where to start? Check out PowerStop brake kits. They offer great options for complete brake kit upgrades. From the Z23 kit for daily drivers to the Z36 Street Warrior kit for high-performance vehicles and muscle cars. For this vehicle, we're going with the Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Upgrade Kit. It's perfect for vehicles that tow and haul frequently or have heavy accessories. The Z36 kit features a carbon fiber ceramic brake pad formula for severe duty stopping power without sacrificing daily drivability. Plus, the drilled, slotted, and zinc-plated rotors help manage temperatures while resisting rust and corrosion. All components in the kit are OE stock fitment, bolt-on for quick installation, and the kit includes everything you need for a complete installation. This tip brought to you by PowerStop. Brake upgrades made easy.